Good morning, madam. So for our PPT presentation one, our group consists of three people. So first one is me, Lee Mi Heng, and then second one is Hani Ji, and the last one is Kuman Fong. So now I will go to introduction. Hi, madam. So I will talk about introduction in this PPT one. Technology is advancing and increasing day by day, especially mobile device. Now almost every task performed on PC can be performed by using mobile device. They are lightweight and also easy to use, especially user friendly. So it makes every person have their own devices. It's, it represents the most important thing in the world now. Since Malaysia have faced to COVID-19 pandemic past 2 years, online shopping has been a trend because of the MCO. So the purpose of the assessment is conduct a comparison of four famous online shopping platforms in Malaysia, which are Shopee, Lazada, Spot Direct, and the last one is Mr. DIY. This assessment will be focused on the evaluation will be on the sort of application that are offered user-friendly, competitive with virus device and the overall user experience. Okay, so now I will show how to download our online platform application in our mobile phone. So I will take Uberly as our example, as my example. So first of all, step one, I will open my Play Store in my mobile phone. After that, I will click the search button on top of our mobile device. Then we just search for Uberly. This is our step 2. And then step 3, we just press the enter button and it will show the Uberly application. And for step 4, we just click the install button. That one was a green button. Then we just click the install button. And then we just wait for a while to let the application download in our mobile phone. Okay. And wait, and then we just click the open, and then just yeah, that's all. And I will pass it to Chinese Jie.
Okay, my name is Chaniji. Okay, today I'm going to present the PBT1 presentation. So first of all, I will present the description types of application. Okay, what is mobile web apps? Mobile web app, which is a web application, is an application program that is distributed via the internet using a browser interface and is kept on a remote server. Web services are web apps, and most websites, through not all, content web application. Means like we just go to the browser and browse to the website only. Okay, next. Okay, so here for the example of the web-based application. Okay, so first is Mr. DIY. Mr. DIY, legally Mr. DIY Groups Berhad is a Malaysia-based home improvement retailer. It is a part of Mr. DIY Group Berhad and provides home improvement products for do-it-yourself project through online and offline store. Okay, as of April 2021, Creator backed Mr. DIY Groups on an operator over 1,000 stores in Malaysia. Okay, in 2017, Mr. DIY launched its e-commercial business with web-based apps to bring its offering to the market that were deemed unsuitable for their retail store. This move paid off, especially so during the MCO, as they were able to mobilize employees to fulfill online orders and continue bringing in revenue. Okay, so for the second, which is the Spot Direct. Spot Direct is the UK largest sporting goods retail by revenue. and operated a diversified portfolio of sport, fitness, fashion, and lifestyle fashion and brands. Okay, Malaysia marks the first direct retail investment in Asia through a joint venture partnership with Malaysian owners on MST Golf groups of companies. A well-established golf retailer and service provider in the region, Sport Direct Malaysia currently operate 29 retail stores and manage a proprietary sportdirect.com e-commerce site for domestic and regional fulfillment. Sport Direct Malaysia offer over 17 of the leading global sport brands with a matched variety of products and attractive pricing. Okay, so for the hybrid apps, what is hybrid apps? Hybrid apps is a software program called a hybrid application combines features from native and web apps. Its essential hybrid apps are web application with native app shell, which is mean the company that had website and apps and the mobile apps. Okay, here the example for as we can see is the Shopee. Uh, Shopee is to compete with other e-commerce firms like Lazada, Tokopedia, and AliExpress. The best platform debated a website. Shopee provides online purchasing security through its own escort service, called Shopee Guarantee. So we buy like something, the electronic things on Shopee, he will give the Shopee guarantee. Okay, which can be used to withhold payment from seller until customer have received the order. This is how Shopee set itself apart from competitors. The last one is Shopee is a hybrid software because user can download it from their phones and access it via web as well. So means Shopee can like we can purchase on the from the website or from the apps. It's the same thing lah. After that, next. Okay, for the Lazada. Lazada also is a hybrid apps. Lazada is an international e-commerce company and one of the largest e-commerce operator in Southeast Asia. Okay, with over 10,000 third-party seller and as of November 2014 and 50 million annual active buyers as of September 2019. Okay, this part I will pass to my teammate Kiew Fong.
Okay. Good morning, madam. My name is Kiew Fong. So today I will present the comparison of online shopping platforms. So first, we will comparison at the find and launching of the platform. So first, mobile web application. So they need to use the browser to access their official store. So second, this mobile web app also can be found either in Google, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Safari, and other web browser by searching the name of the online shopping platform, and user will lead to the official site, official link. So last is do not have any standalone apps that are able to install in phone. So this might be inconvenient to user to access in the easiest way. So we can compare with the hybrid apps. So hybrid application, it can be find and launch on the phone device or web browser. And second, we also can find a standalone app they are able to install in phone. So this can give user a convenient experience to the system. And next, I will compare it
with the ease of understanding the operations is the user interface. Okay, first, we can see the mobile web app. So the website layout is virtually simple. So this will make the website easier to load, navigate, and suitable for all users. So next, the image present in the apps are highly quality and easy to perceive as user. So a good image can attract more of the user, can extract more of website UX and app UX rate. So next, incorporate attractive, easy to read forms can make the website appear clear and simple. So the fourth one is the icon. The icons that used on the website are equable use and common for all users. Hence, the user will not confuse when using the website. Last but not least, user can change the view of the website layout by zooming out or zooming in. So this can help some backside user to have a nice view to the website. Okay, next we can see the hybrid application. So the user interface of the application are remarkably similar. So the designer maintains the design aesthetic while keeping it clean and modest, which show that care about the user. So next, this online shopping platform also creating a practical application design that work on both large and small screen. That means we can use either on the phone or on the website. Okay, the third one is the developer did a great job in design a layout of the website that serve a function. So the essential thing that grabs user attention is how the elements on each page relate to one another and how each page is organized. Last one, even so, some of default design could come off as less interesting than those that are web-based or native app because they need to function simultaneously on several platforms. Okay, next, I will make the comparison in the smoothness and responsiveness of running the platform. So first, we can see the mobile web application. First, the smoothness and responsiveness of a platform can know from its page loading period. So a well-designed website, the loading time must be in between 1.5 to 2 seconds. So in the two online shopping platforms that we chosen, they have reached the target launching time. So as we can see, it's a good online shopping platform. So obviously, however, it will also be slow sometimes because the data and internet can affect the loading period. So the better the speed of the internet and the better the performance, so the faster the website will launch. So last one is this obviously. So these two websites have the high quality written code because the websites are easily to launch and running and they don't have some problem like some platform that could be lousy because the poorly written code it will cause some problem because the if inefficient code, memory lag, or synchronization issue. So this all problem may affect usage of a website if you if you affect the user use experience. So we can see to the hybrid apps. So hybrid apps application is designed to function well on the phone device and website page. So if you compare with the mobile web app and native app, hybrid app has a better system smoothness while running the apps. Okay. So next, hybrid app will also face some problem such as server down for some time. So it may bring inconvenience to the user. Okay, last, I will compare in the ease of cross device use. So we can see to the mobile web apps. So mobile web app is partitions is for cross device use. So they did not have a standalone application that can run in a mobile device, such as mobile phone or tablet. If consumers want to go for online shopping, they need to use a browser, such as Google, to visit the website in their phone device. So as a conclusion, the ease of cross device use of the mobile app is lack. Okay, next, we can see the hybrid application. So the hybrid application, this online shopping platform have great functionality in both small and large screen. So the function and the user interface were working similar on the phone device and website. There is not much different on both screens, so it's easy to use for cross device. So we can say that hybrid application has a high ease of cross device use than compared with the mobile app. So next conclusion, I will pass to my teammate Chan Yijie.
Okay, so for the conclusion, in conclusion, we have learned that native and hybrid apps that can download into both device, which is iOS and an Android device. It is making them easy to use on any device. From this assessment, we have learned that hybrid apps, which is the Shopee and Lazada, is user-friendly and simple and smoothly to run the apps. And the hybrid apps is the combination of native apps and web apps. Furthermore, in this assignment, we also learned about the web-based application, which is per-click and Mr. DIY, are not native application. So we no needed to download to application to make a place order. We just go through the website and proceed to place order. Okay. It also can help us to save our phone storage and the mobile data. Okay. Lastly, the design of the application of web-based is normally the same thing, but it just under but not same company. Okay. That's all from us. Thank you.